lifestylers, and welcome back to Lifestyle with Latasha. Today we're going to be doing our back patio that's enclosed, and boy, I'm telling you, I'm so excited because we are in the midst of spring. And even though our weather in Georgia has not been kind, we are still full of pollen. We are going from 80 degrees down to 50 degrees to 40 to 30. Then we're back at 70. Then we're down to 60. It's a complete mess. So we've got pollination out of this world. But if you're interested in seeing this type of content, hit that like button and let me know that you're interested. And if this is your first time, I want to say thank you for joining me today as I redo our back patio, get it ready for spring, spruce it up, make it all pretty and cozy and festive. I love this time of year and I'm so ready to enjoy it. And hopefully the weather will kind of make up its mind soon enough so that we can really get some good weather. As you can see, my patio is a mess. I mean, it's still set up from winter time. We've got the pillow covers still on there saying hello winter. But like I said, we're getting ready to kick it off for spring. I'm really excited, and we're going to start it off by including a new patio set. And I'm so excited. So subscribe. Let me know that you want to be a part of Lifestyle with Latasha, and let's get started. So as you can see, we've got a new patio set. Now, it looks quite similar to the one that we had before, and honestly, it is, except this one has a longer sofa, and it has 2 chairs and some other things. So we had put it out there, gotten it ready. However, I'm gonna just take the time and kind of freshen it up just a little bit, get everything ready for all the decor that I'm gonna bring outside. So the first area that I'm going to start setting up is going to be this little coffee table that I have. I'm just going to bring some of the magazines that I have around the house outside, just so if we want to, take the time to read some material, we can do so. The next thing that I'm going to bring in, I hope that you remember this piece. This is a piece that I utilized for Easter setup for my dining room tablescape. And I decided that I love the colors, I'll bring it out here as well. And here's just a photograph that my kids had done for my husband and myself a couple of Christmases ago. So I'm going to bring this out here as well. This is our little space, so might as well make it for us. All right, let's move right along to the coffee table. So here is a vase that I was able to find on Facebook Marketplace. I told you guys I love Facebook Marketplace. So this lady actually had about 17 vases that she sold for 20 bucks, and they were all different sizes. This is a little piece that I got from Big Lots, and I'm just gonna put it in as a little accessory on the table. Those floral picks, I actually got those from Amazon, and I love the color that they're bringing out here. So this little piece, I actually did a DIY, and later on I'm going to do another video showing some of the DIYs that I've done. That little orb was actually red, and I painted it yellow because I wanted to use it out here on the patio. This is the little beads that I'm going to use out here just as a little accent. I think I got those from Amazon with the little book set a couple of years ago. And then this little candle is some that I got from Target from the Wonder Shop a few years back, and I just used them all around the house. Now, these were from Lowe's, these Boston ferns, and they were on sale, 2 for $20, and they are huge. So I was able to get 4 of them. I'm going to have 2 back here on the patio. This is the second one. And then the other 2, I'm going to put them on my front porch when I do my entryway. These are some pillows that I had, and I added some new pillow covers. These blue ones and gray and gold, I got them from Shein. And then this little pillow, this lumbar pillow, I was able to get from Big Lots, I want to say 2 years ago. This pillowcase I actually got from Amazon, and they came in a set of four. And I'm going to utilize two out here on this patio. This is the other one that I got from Shein, and I'm so glad because if you can see it, it has the gray, which matches the cushions perfectly. And then this is the other one that I got in the pack of four from Amazon, and I will link the ones from Amazon down below. So now I'm going to go back to the coffee table. And this is a little basket that I got from Ross or either Marshall's, I want to say earlier in the winter of 2024. Here I've gotten this picture, and it's got the glasses that go with it, and I got them from Home Goods. Gonna put out some mandarin oranges. Honestly, just as a little snack for us, but I also love the pop of color on that. So now, as the sun is starting to set, I'm gonna go ahead and light the candles just to create a nice ambiance and mood on the patio. And I just love the way that it bounces off and reflects the colors from the yellows and the pinks and the whites. It's just really pretty. It's just starting to get the mood that I'm looking for. This is the other candle that I'm setting back the end table. Doesn't that look so pretty? Oh, I love it. And the weather, you guys, is perfect today. Now, to finish off this patio, I'm going to bring in some of my oversized lanterns, and I'm going to use the inside of one of those flower fillers back there behind as a riser. So I'm going to put one of these tall lanterns on there, and I absolutely love these. I have had these forever. I'm going to be honest. I want to say I got them from Haverty's maybe 7, 8 years ago. And I have just used them all around the house. Sometimes I'll use them for Christmas. Sometimes I'll use them for the spring. But they are always in motion. And sometimes I just have them sitting out, either on the front porch or on the back porch. So now we're going to light them, create some more ambiance on the back porch. If you like this content, please hit that like button and let me know what your thoughts are down in the comments. I'm so excited to always be able to engage with you. And if this is your first time on my channel, like I said before, hit that subscribe button and let me know that you're loving what you're seeing. I really am so grateful for everyone who has already subscribed. And for anyone, if this is your first time, I want to just say thank you, because you really mean a lot when you're here and people are watching and enjoying the content that I'm putting out. So here we go. This is the after reveal of the new content for the patio. And I'm going to be honest, there's a few more things that we're going to be doing back here on the patio just to make it even more cozy. And I can't wait for you to see it. But right now, I got to tell you guys, I am loving the way that this looks. I'm loving the feel that it gives us when we're out here and able to just sit and talk and kind of escape away from all the daily, things that are happening, and just take a moment to just enjoy each other's company. So my husband and I, and my daughter, honestly, she loves it out here. But my husband and I, we absolutely adore sitting out here, turning on the ceiling fan and just letting the breeze blow through. I hope that you're enjoying it. Please let me know what your thoughts are down in the comments below. So guys, it's been a pleasure. And I'm gonna tell you, I'm getting ready to enjoy our evening out here tonight. So I hope that you enjoy it. I hope that you'll come back and see what else we're gonna be doing on Lifestyle with Latasha. In the meantime, as I always say, make a good time and enjoy the moments with your family. Take care. See you on the next one. Bye.